This afternoon, you probably have noticed there's a little weather going on again. It happens every Wednesday. Every single Wednesday,
Really?
Tom.
Really?
I'm telling you. And this is along the Front Range in the Eastern Plains. The highest threat continues to be just north and east of the Denver metro area.
Of course, meteorologist Corey Reppenhagen is out and about. You can see his windshield wipers hard at work there. But first, we're going to check in with meteorologist Danielle Grant for a quick look at what is going on right now and the forecast as well. Danielle?
Whew, it has been yet again another busy day. Yes, Kim, another Wednesday with these strong to severe thunderstorms just plowing across parts of the urban corridor, and then eventually we'll be moving off to the northeastern plains. This is our vantage point from Greeley. You can certainly see that incoming storm. Did you just see that lightning strike? Pretty impressive stuff, and this is going to be the trend over the next couple of hours before all of the activity moves further to the north and east. Let's zoom in so you can get a good idea of where this storm is now. It started on the west side of town out there near Golden, Arvada, and has quickly zipped up to the north. Right now, a lot of hail. In fact, with this severe thunderstorm warning that extends out till 4:30 in Boulder and Weld counties, we have seen some reports of half-dollar sized hail. That can do some damage, along with really heavy winds coming up across Highway 85, heading toward Greeley, Johnstown, Windsor. All of this coming your way. Get the cars in the garage while you can. This is our hail tracks, kind of where that storm originated on the west side of town and then started to push off to the northeast right there, heading up toward Fort Lupton through Brighton, and just outside of DIA, they saw about an inch and a half sized hail in diameter. Pretty wild. Severe thunderstorm warning continuing just to the north of Cheyenne Wells. A lot of water, a lot of lightning, and potentially some large hail about a quarter size in diameter. Look at this out in the San Juans. A little bit of snowfall along those higher peaks. Some nice rain through Pagosa Springs. A little bit of a lightning show to the southeast. And then around Alamosa, the Great Sand Dunes, looking at some rain coming through. You'll notice the dew points relatively low up in the mountains here for the urban corridor in the 40s, and then off to the eastern plains in the 50s. As we look at those dew points in the 50s, that just means there's a little bit more moisture, more instability to get these thunderstorms going. The winds also cranking with these storms. 20, 30, 40 mile per hour wind gusts will be coming through. This is our vantage point again with those dark, ominous skies across downtown. These storms, though, they should be out of our hair by about 10 o'clock, and then looking ahead toward tomorrow morning, it will be a quiet start to the day, and then you know the drill, more rain on the way. We'll chat about the weekend forecast in just a bit, but meteorologist Corey Reppenhagen always in the eye of this storm, my friend. It looks like those windshield wipers are working overtime, as are you.
We are, and you just saw that lightning strike coming from this live picture on the 9 News weather as we move northbound on I-25 through Weld County. You can also see just a little bit of hail on the side of the road there. This storm just kind of crossed I-25 here in the Longmont, Meade area, and the lightning has been a major display out here. All these strikes hitting the ground. We actually saw one flash hit what appeared to be a power box just south of Highway 66 in the Longmont area, because there was a flash of lightning and then an additional flash, and then we saw a little puff of smoke. So these lightning strikes are certainly a big part of this storm, as we're on this kind of slow speed pursuit of this severe thunderstorm that's moving up into the Meade, Berthoud area. Hail has also been part of the story, mostly dime to nickel size hail that we've been seeing, but there are reports of those ping pong ball size hail like Danielle was mentioning. This, and it was coming from this cell as it kind of developed in the bar and moved away. So
he's still out there. We know that. It's the slow chase. I like the way he says that, Corey.
Well, there's a lot going on where Corey is. Again, I-25 northbound in Weld County. We'll be checking in on the weather throughout the rest of the hour here at 4 o'clock at 9 News.